Hello, fellow traders everywhere. Jeremy Lutz here with your midday market update for Wednesday, the 16th of May. We're going to go round two. We actually got our had a little technical difficulty there, but we got our screen up now, as you can clearly see. After failing to sustain an early upward move today, stocks have some volatility over the course of the trading day today. Traders are once again weighing concerns about Greece against a batch of largely upbeat U.S. economic daily. Greece just doesn't seem to go away or want to die. It's just the news just keeps creeping up every couple days. Early strength on Wall Street was due to some better than expected economic data, including a report from the Federal Reserve showing a much bigger than expected increase in industrial production in April, as well as a report showing that the housing starts came in and rose about 2.6% above what economists' estimates were going to be in April. Although there was some conflicting reports also that showed a sharp drop in building permits. With that, we'll get right along to the markets. I'm going to start a little different here today with the Dow Jones Industrials, and issued a monthly down red triangle, so a major trend change in the market yesterday, triggering at 12,632.76. This was actually pointed out to me yesterday afternoon as on our members blog. By a member. We were kind of going back and forth about some different things about Facebook and its uses, as well as some theories in MarketClub and how to trade some things. And a member popped in and was like, "Hey, anybody gonna talk about the major trend change in the Dow?" Well, there it was, right there at 12,632.76. Again, negative 100 now, strong downtrend, and we're short across all fronts. Moving along, we're actually going to go to the NASDAQ here, and I kind of wanted to give you a key level to look at. We're currently trading at 28.92.22, but looking with the down action that we've had, we're actually looking for this level to move to a strong downtrend at 2,825.19. 2,825.19. That is where we will issue a red down triangle right here, which would signify a major trend change to the downside. So a strong downtrend in the NASDAQ. Currently trading at 28.92.22, so not that far away. Definitely something to watch for the rest of this weekend, actually the rest of the month, as we wrap up towards coming about the midway point of May now. Moving along, I had mentioned this the other day, the S&P 500. We're looking for the same thing there. We're looking for a major trend change to the downside at 1,312.45. That's going to be our level if we issue a monthly downtrend. Major trend change right there on a monthly level. Getting negative 70 right now. Currently trading at 1332.02. You can kind of see markets are kind of flattening out. They're kind of back where they started this morning. So we'll have to see how we finish up the day. Clear the screen here. Moving along. Silver. Actually, it's negative 100. We're short across all time frames. I believe it's actually opened today at 27.80, so we're real close here at 27.385, really close to where it opens, so kind of a flat market. Of course, this is the spot price for immediate delivery. Moving along, gold, much the same story. Still kind of had a little bit of an update. It's kind of been up high, went as high as 1551.90. Currently still negative 100. Short across all time frames. I fully expect this market to still head down to that 1,500 level, and we're getting pretty close. Who knows once it gets to there where it'll go, but definitely looking for that 1,500 level. Copper, still struggling. And of course, it's an industrial metal, and you would think with the upbeat housing market that might pull up a little bit, but still negative 100, short across all time frames. Currently trading at $3.47. Much the same story for crude oil. Kind of it opened at 93.16. We're almost back to those levels now at 93.25. Trade as high as 94 today and as low as 91. actually read a report this morning that the government reported the U.S. oil supplies grew last week by 2.1 million barrels. That's more than analysts expected. Storage levels are now the highest they've been in nearly 22 years here in the U.S., which should tell you something. Was this buildup, this energy field everybody was talking about, just pure speculation? Not really sure to know. Triangles definitely got us on the right side of this market. Got short long term at 96.37. Currently trading 93.25. We actually got short on a short term at 97.51. So doing really well in the crude oil market to the downside now. Euro USD, same kind of deals, kind of flattened out a little bit since the news from Greece has come out today after a little bit of a bump this morning. Negative 100. Still short across all time frames. CRB index, a little bit of bump up today. It's kind of flattening out a little bit around this $280, $290 level. Still negative 90, short across all time frames. Still a strong downtrend. Believe it or not, even there are some things that are up today. Google issued new weekly entry on intermediate term position at $618. Currently trading at $626.69, plus 100, strong uptrend, long across the board on all those. FRC, First Republic Bank, plus 100, long across all term. Another weekly trade triangle re-entry into an intermediate term position today at 33.78. Currently trade a little bit higher, 33.79. And of course, I found these in our recent trade triangle list, which has been greatly revamped by Dave Mayer, one of our founding partners and technical director. And yesterday, if you were paying attention on the blog and our Facebook page, again, if you are on Facebook, go over to Facebook, follow us. It's just MarketClub. We'd love to have you on there. We added a new feature that all of our members have been asking for quite a long time, and that is a ETF only scan. Now you can actually separate the ETFs from the equities themselves. So we'll just do a quick search here. ETFs greater than 100,000. Look for daily, and we'll just go to day. Hit scan. See, there we go. Got a few we could take a look at, and if you want to just sort them by volume, you can simply click here, and it'll rank them top to bottom by volume. That way, if you have your higher volume stocks, let's see from the top bottom. You actually sort this by last price, the change, percentage, of course, volume, what time it was detected and it triggered, score, and the triangles themselves. So you can actually sort this multitude of ways to make it a little easier for you to find trades. If you're not a Market Club member, I strongly urge you to join. It's only $8.95. Join us, see what all the hubbub's about, so to say. If you're a member, get over to the blog. Get in there, comment. You'll see myself, Adam, when he's back in town. A bunch of members talking about trading ideas, what they're seeing, trading strategies, how they use the trade triangles along with their own analysis, and it's really a nice platform for learning. That should wrap it up for today. I'm Jeremy Lutz for Market Club, and we'll see you on Friday with another video. Happy trading, everyone.